Hi, my name is Carrie from OrangeTee AAG, your friendly neighborhood agent at Ghim Moh. Today, I want to show you a newly MOP estate that stands tall as an iconic high-rise in this prime location. It is a stunning property with breathtaking unblocked view of Mount Sinai and Bukit Timah Hill. This very high floor unit is breezy, bright and quiet, offering a peaceful living environment. You will also love the convenience of having two 24-hour supermarkets at your doorsteps. A famous food lover's paradise, Ghim Moh Hawker Center is just a short walk away. For families with young children, within minutes, you will find yourself surrounded by top-tier schools, including Henry Park Primary School, ACSI, and the prestigious National University of Singapore. This allows your children to kickstart their education journey. Situated between Dover and Buona Vista MRT stations, commuting to work or leisure activity is a breeze. Ghim Moh area is a location for family looking for convenient and quality living. The nearby park connector provides opportunity for outdoor fitness and family bonding time, making this a great place to call home. What sets this property apart is that there are only 4 units per level, ensuring privacy and exclusivity for you and your family. The apartment has been fully renovated with a separate living and dining area. It offers a cozy and comfortable space for meals and family time. The master bedroom features a built-in wardrobe and a cozy study corner. The attached bathroom is fitted with modern amenities, providing the functionality. Customize one of the common bedrooms to your liking and create your own design. Don't forget the unblocked view from every bedroom. The semi-open kitchen with a folding window allows you to keep an eye on your little one while preparing a delicious meal. It's perfect for busy parents who want to multitask without missing a beat. The backyard is spacious and well ventilated with plenty of natural light and serene night view from top-rated schools to beautiful parks. Ghim Moh has everything your family needs for a comfortable and vibrant lifestyle. Ready to make this your new home? Call me today. This is Carrie from OrangeTee AAG, your trusted agent.